Today we're going to be doing a very highly requested video, and that is decluttering and organizing my makeup room. So let's get started. So, part uno. We are going to go through these boxes that I have that I haven't went through since I moved into this place. Like, I don't have a whole bunch of makeup, but I do tend to hoard stuff, like even like little samples and weird things, because I'm just weird like that. So here's box number one. So I'm just gonna go through it and decide what I want to keep in, what I want to throw away. So this is going to be my little tiny trash bin right here, and here we go. Oh yeah, first I want to show you guys this little cute thing I made. It's called a makeup fund. So I'm saving up money that I can save up to buy makeup and do more reviews and more videos for you guys. All right, so anyways, that's another topic. So let's get started. Does anybody else have one of these, those Carly bracelets? So cute. Good stuff, good stuff. This thing is so cool. My boyfriend actually bought this for me. You would think it's just like a normal comb, right? Wrong. Isn't that cool? Carry this in your purse, because you never know. Yes. Do you guys ever like clean out your closet or like under your bed or clean just anything in your room, and then you find things you haven't seen in like forever and you're just like, oh, I forgot about you. This is it. This is another really good perfume. Where is it going? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's almost gone too. This is like my favorite perfume. The Dolce & Gabbana light blue. All right, moving on, moving on. still good. It's still good. I'll just have to clean it. Don't worry. I'll take care of you. Clean it. You guys, I'm like the most messiest, unorganized person you will probably ever meet in your entire life. Like, or no, I mean, ever. Super duper unorganized. And it's so funny because my boyfriend is like the complete opposite. He's very, very clean, and I'm not. So he's like always on my booty about things. So that part's done. Let's get into the organizing. I don't have a bunch of stuff, but I am still gonna take you guys through the process. So I wiped everything off my table, all my makeup, so I can put it in these drawers and organize. All kinds of makeup to fill all of them, which is okay. So if you don't either, that's totally fine. It's not a big deal. Maybe one day, maybe. Okay, so for the first drawer, we're actually gonna do lips. This is gonna be lip products. I should have wrote this stuff down first because it doesn't want to show up. Okay, so we're gonna do lips. Probably do face here, like foundation. And it doesn't have to be fancy, because I mean, mine's not. If you prefer it to be that way, then that's totally up to you guys. But I don't mind. So we're gonna do face. And then let's put for this one, let's do hair products. hair products. All right, so in these drawers, I'm going to be putting these, and you can purchase these at Walmart. Ooh, you're making a mess. So I'm just going to place them in here because me personally, I feel like the drawers are really big, and if you don't have something just to organize your stuff, it's just going to be flying all over the place, and I don't like reaching back super far to get things. So these are a cute, cheap alternative. So just letting you know, get those at Walmart. All right, so we're gonna start with lips, lip products. I actually already have some in here. That doesn't go in there, this does. So I believe that is it for that. Okay, then to organize this side of the table, we're gonna put that down. And this little glass tray, I usually like to just put my perfumes in there, my body mists, all that fun stuff. Okay. And for my brushes, I don't really put them away anywhere. I like to put them in a little basket. And I like to leave them on my table so I know where everything is at when it comes to my brushes. And I don't have to look through drawers. And I honestly don't have that many brushes anyway. So this just makes it easy. here is the big reveal. Don't mind the cords and stuff. That's to connect all the lights together. But this is my little room. Nothing fancy, but super cute. And this is where all the magic happens. Right here. This is my little setup. So I did kind of organize on the table. I mean, like, I don't necessarily have a bunch of stuff or a bunch of makeup, but I really did need to clean and organize. If you see the before and after pictures and then throughout the video, you can see that this room was actually quite a mess. So I'm kind of proud of myself. It took a while, but we got there. So I organized my little perfumes and body sprays. I put them here in this tray. That's where my necklaces and my chokers go. I have a lot more, but I don't know where they're at. This is just a second mirror. Then that's nothing. I put all my brushes right here where I can see them, so they're easy to grab and find. It's my little mirror that I use when I'm doing my makeup when I'm filming. This is my little tripod, my little makeup fund jar to buy makeup to film for you guys. Then these are just little tiny decorations, that little crystal. And then I have this cute little plate here. It's just like an iridescent plate thing. I'm not sure what to do with it, but it's pretty as a decoration. And these I've been wearing a lot, and they are by Steve Madden. So they're nothing special, but they're super cute, and honestly the best $10 I've ever spent. They're just so pretty and so different. Anyways, so this is the chair that I film in. Nothing crazy. And then there's me. Hey. And then I have this little thing right here, and it's a little reflector. I usually put it on the table underneath me so that when I'm filming, it kind of gets like your chin and everything's just like glowing. Okay. And then here's my microphone. But yeah, that is it for the little tour of cleaning and decluttering and organizing this mess. Let me show you the drawers really quick. I didn't get to name them all. I know it's like already messy. Oof, makeup is so messy. So I did lips and eyes in here. So my lip products, all my eye products. Then my face. So concealers, my beauty blenders, primers, foundations, and powders. Then I put hair products in here. And did I put anything here? Yeah, I put my palettes, all my palettes in here. That's just miscellaneous stuff. Then I didn't really get to do much in this drawer just yet, but in the middle drawer I do have all my hair styling tools. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. Hey guys, so we're gonna be a little close and personal here. Anyways, that is it for my organizing and decluttering my makeup room. I know it wasn't like crazy and I don't have a whole bunch of stuff, you know, but it needed to be cleaned, and this was actually a really highly requested video, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Whew, I did just my makeup and hair things and stuff. I haven't even started my closet yet, but if you guys want me to do a decluttering and organizing my closet, getting rid of things, keeping things, and shoes as well, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So until next time, I will see you guys later.